Hey everyone! So today I'm doing a cheer makeup look for Central High, Wyoming. I chose a really pretty natural smoky eye with a ruby red lip and a little bit extra sparkle on the eye. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get this makeup look with all my tips and tricks to make it really easy. So grab your makeup and let's get started. So I'm starting off by dusting a little bit of loose setting powder under my eyes. This helps catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup really easy. It's optional, but I always do this. So now we're going on to the eyeshadow look. So start with the cream eyeshadow color and use a fluffy brush to sweep it across your eyelid for a smooth base color. Next, using that bone eyeshadow shade, use a flat eyeshadow brush and press it into the brow bone and into that inner corner of the eye. Then we're going to apply that shade onto the center of the lid, and I like to use my fingertip or a foam applicator to press that onto the lid for an even coat. Now moving on to that medium brown eyeshadow. So use a dome-shaped eyeshadow brush and press that shade into your crease. Then switch to a fluffy brush and blend the color through the crease so that everything looks soft and even. Now we're using the darker brown shade. So using the dome-shaped brush again, press that color into the outer corner of your eye into a V shape. Here's an extra tip. If you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you can line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow, and that will keep the line really clean as you press the eyeshadow into that outer corner. Now switch to a fluffy eyeshadow brush and lightly blend the outer corner into the crease and center of the lid, and that will really soften the colors together. So once you're finished, you can add mascara to your lashes. I like to add 2 coats for extra volume. Now I'm applying the liquid glitter eyeshadow in Champagne. Use the wand to spread a thin coat of the liquid eyeshadow from the inner corner of the eyelid towards the center and just slightly into the outer corner. If you want a little extra sparkle, you can always add a second coat. And it takes a minute for it to dry, so keep your eyes closed and fan your eyes till it dries. As an extra tip, sometimes I will speed up the process by using a blow dryer on the cool setting, and that will dry it really quick. If you added the powder under your eyes, you can now sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. And now we're moving on to lips. So to start with, I always use a makeup wipe to clean my lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. Now grab your matte liquid lipstick and fill in your lips using a thin coat. Let it dry completely for a minute or 2 so that it doesn't budge. And to keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath or over top the lip color. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. And that's your finished look for Central High in Wyoming. Have an incredible season, everyone.